You're trying to pair headset and phone using already connected network and a code to put in your phone. Go into Quest settings. About. Now you can see the pairing code to enter into your phone. Settings about. This is annoying. I've already turned the headset on and off. What else can I do? I feel like I'm pretty much out of options for testing this. Putting the number in right. Try the other one. Work. Work.meta/device. Make your device. Okay. So what else to do? That doesn't work. Come on. Holy shit. What a waste of time. I'm going to make it forget my meta, my Quest 2. Um, sharing with nearby devices enabled? Where is share with? Sharing with nearby devices. Where is that on settings? That can't be it. That's not. All right. Well, guess we got to contact support. Oh, yeah. You already have a Meta account. I know. That's why I'm trying to log in. The same frequency. Get back. Ay, ay, ay. What a waste of fucking time. Um, here's what we'll do. We're gonna hang on. I'm busy. My God, this is one of the shittiest experiences I've ever had setting up a phone, setting up a device. And location. Okay, let's just go to the Meta app, see, make sure I have absolutely everything turned on for it. Then I'm gonna turn all that shit off and then delete the app from my phone. Once it connects. I don't know if I can help out with anything. Good right now. Okay, we're gonna do a factory reset of the device. Oh. No internet connection, eh? One more time here. And of course not. Okay. So, factory reset. Power off. And that time it connected to the Wi-Fi directly from the phone. There we go. It's that easy. You just have to do a factory reset on a device you just bought. No biggie. All right, we're in. I think we're in. Oh my god, please. You better fucking connect. Oh my god, what? It has to be the exact same internet. I'm pairing it directly through. Oh, jeez. Indeed. Hello, Concealed. Welcome. Welcome back. What's up, Sam? We're trying to get my Quest 3 working. But Meta is a garbage company. So we're just sitting here doing nothing. I may just end the stream here because I don't know what else to do. Surely I could. Do other things on this headset. Guys, story is weird sometimes. Wait, how are you making D&D in VR? Also, hello, Rashad. We're using a program called Resonite to program logic and make assets while in VR, while doing multiplayer, all in app. Quest 3 is weird sometimes, if not all of the time. Well, right now we're just stuck. The exact same Wi-Fi. I'm definitely using the same Wi-Fi. Display a code. I'm doing the code. Bluetooth and location are turned on, and permissions are granted. Android app. Don't want the Android app. Restart the phone? Why would I need to restart the phone? This probably isn't it, but my phone, I would like to turn you off. Thank you. Yeah, that's not happening. Sorry, we'll get to fun stuff soon, hopefully. Hello, Alvin. Yes. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Issues I should not be having. Hello, welcome. How's everyone's Friday going? Good? No. Let me know if I can help. Yeah, I will, but there's nothing. Thanks. Doing all right. How about you? I'm doing quite well. Doing quite well. I'm actually super ecstatic with some of the stuff we're doing in VR for making things and oh, just jumped immediately to pairing. So oh, there we go. Hey, we're in. That was such a pain. Holy shit! But we're in. We did it. We did it. Okay, now we're going to go into VR land. Um, Good old VR land. Yeah, I'm gonna show you all what I've been talking about with all the VR things. It'll probably take a second for me to get my apps downloaded, but ugh. Before you create a boundary, make sure you. Oh, wrong controllers. This one. And where'd my other one go? Where'd my other controller go? They're so small now. Nope. Ooh, interesting. The UI stuff is cool. Cool. Oh, it's so much easier to paint it. Room scale boundary. Yes. Scale. Yeah. The Quest 3. Oh, yes. There we go. All right, Steam Link. Allow. Ooh, it is way crisper though. It looks really good. Nice. All right. Okay, so now go ahead and hop in. Cool. I guess I'm already in. All right, we're cooking. We're cooking with gas now. Cooking with gas. So what we want to do is do resonate. Do do do. Do 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 do. Okay, there we go. Nice. So now what we're going to be doing is creating some weapons. Creating some weapons. We're good now.
Yeah.
Yeah, got it.
Nice.
I said to factory reset it, reinstall my phone, turn my phone off and on.
Easy.
Easy, you know, standard stuff.
Good.
I still connected by Wi-Fi? No, come on. Please connect. Oh my god. We get an ulcer today. I'm guessing that was your brother? Yes. Yes, it was. Let's see.
Yeah. No.
Just doesn't want to connect now. There we go. I guarantee you the Quest was doing something else in the background and just not telling me. We're in. All right. Really see the bit right now. We're in and my controllers are broken. Wow, okay. Everything that's going wrong right now is going wrong. So that happens. We have to restart Steam VR from the ground up. Not hearing anything, or maybe it's not talking. I'm being a little quiet. But should be good to go. Close. Thank you. It was me. Sorry. No, you're. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get a chair. Because my cat stole my chair, so this one. I've been leaning forward too much in my normal chair. The resolution really deteriorates streaming over the Wi-Fi. It's a little sad with my new headset. Nice to get something to. If I had something to block out all the light leaking in. But hello, finally, we're actually getting to it. We're actually getting to start. Holy shit. There we go. Nice. Much higher resolution. I'm in. I'm in, y'all. Can you guys hear me well? I think you can. I can see my mic going up and down. This looks great. All right, so what we've been working on today is setting up this little temple over here. So we're gonna have like a combat playthrough over here, and I'm gonna try to be bringing in pretty much everyone from chat at some point. I had to hunt for food in the wilds just now, so croissants with vanilla pudding from a carton with chocolate sprinkles on top. It is what it is. A hard hunt. Your old headset died. Just wondering. I wanted a new one. There is a whole temple. Yes, indeed. Yeah, we got the temple going, and I'm gonna put chat on my hand here. Doesn't want me to, though. Why? What the fuck? Oh. Wow. Big crispy. The resolution is actually quite good on this display. Certainly a step up from the Quest 2. Devices. And tracking. I'm going to turn on. Oh my god. Why can't I select this? You're trying to get on and join, but don't know how yet. Well, let me know. I'll just add your name, your username, and I'll add you directly to the stream. Why wouldn't it work? Okay. If I disconnect, though, then it's broken. Fuck it. I'm going to get virtual desktop. What's up?
Double, animal style, normal fries, chocolate shake.
Yeah, double toast animal style. Yeah, exactly. Thank you.
Yeah.
BRB. My brother's getting me in and out. Wow, the resolution is actually amazing. Not to be so effusive, but the resolution is pretty impressive on the 3. And the Steam Link does not work with Quest 3 though.
Now I gotta pop.
No, you're getting there. Give it a month and you'll be golden. Triple golden. Right. Did I delete virtual desktop on my computer here? What did you do with the Quest 2? It's just sitting here right now. I'll probably give it to one of my little cousins or something. It's pretty beat up, so I'd be a little hesitant to do like a giveaway. It's been beat up. Unless you guys would be interested in that, but I don't really know. Sounds good. No. All right. Virtual desktop forever, because it actually works. Sometimes. Well, it's so interesting seeing things I've been looking at for years that have better resolution. It's like getting glasses for the first time. Wow, that looks really good. I know you can't see what I'm looking at, but too bad. I think it's updating. Is it updating? I would join, but I'm already so sleepy. Hey, do not worry at all. Little cousin, ugh, thanks, but I have Quest 5, Grandpa. I don't have a headset, so I'll just watch. Fair, fair. Um, you can use desktop if you have a PC. All right, here we go. Okay, now I can actually use this as I intended to. Cool. It's attached to my hand. Oh, so close yet so far. This is such a weird way to do it. It needs to be not this. Fine. I'm tempted to put my other screen on. A little bit small though. Yeah, fuck it. Go back. All right, sorry. I'll get to. I'll get back to the game. All right, we're finally going in. It only took an hour. Ah, Sam, I need a time zone corner in the world. Give me a bed and some pajamas. Fair. We'll put a little sleepy time roost. I'd be down with that. We'll have a little. It'd be fun to have like a. I don't know. Bunk beds. A bottle for you. Just wanted to close that. A bottle of what? Genie in a bottle. I gotcha. That'd be pretty cute, actually. Yeah, that was my question. All right, let's turn on fly. So we got our D100s. All of our dice here can roll, which is cool. What we'd like to do is get Nammers' weapons in. Definitely need to get OVR at some point. I lack the ability to make things look nice. Doing all this, you could have built at least 3 IKEA beds and IKEA pajamas by now. Just make a wish, right? You're a genie. Have been messing around with UIs today. They're pretty good for the most part. All right, I'm going into Steam so I can get Nammers. Oh, why don't I have Discord on my taskbar? I tried to see if I can make an object follow user, but I failed. They can look at you though. Oh, that's cool. I like that. A little follower character. So here's a moment of truth. Can I? Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. So I can do this. And open Discord. It's pretty hard to see my screen, but all right, I'm just gonna take it off. No reason to make myself suffer like this, but just figuring it out, you know? It's just like experimenting, seeing what works. Followers should say, hey, listen, hey. Little crow helicopter thing floating around following. I actually want something like that. VRC can't do it. This might be another chance. Oh, very cool. Especially being able to have it. It could just exist in the world and then people could tell it. I mean, that would be a great system to start developing D&D NPCs with, or like monsters. Build some sort of like foundation for that. To be honest, though, what I actually should do is just turn this into. Is that me talking? I can hear myself. I really should just make a. That is me. Okay. That actually allows me to use all the dice in one. That would be the version. So 2024 RP Resonite testing, and we'll do collaboration, and NAMI. And we'll go ahead and drop our download in here, which is a blend file. I think we can just drop it into here. Pocket planes. I could not find anything that allows logic to alter position by itself. I can fill in that gap for you, except if I locked it to user space. I have no idea. You can use headbone, for example, add an empty that add copy value step, so protoflex to randomize offset position. I'm not sure the best way is. I'm gonna make a little bud just so in order to face hug someone. Jump scare. Jump scare. I don't know why I lifted up the computer, but I did. It's gonna go back down. I have to dial in my comfort here on the. My head's so small. I think it needs to be a little bit bigger. It's not quite reaching back head. Not quite. Oh shit. It's about to die. It's about to die. I'm actually back. All right. You know what I didn't do though? Drag in my assets. So we're gonna just take these, drop them in, and do 3D model. Separatable with snappable pieces. That would be perfect. Meters. Run import. Cool. Interesting. All right. So here's a shield. This is all made by NAMI, by the way. I made a follower in UE4 once, but it was so poorly done that the character would run inside of you, and when he touched you, the engine crashed. So I had to keep running away from him to prevent him from crashing my game. That's almost everything. I'm gonna put these over here for right now. And I think we can shrink them down. Dope. Should be about that big, I think. Here. A little bit smaller. Blink. Oh. Do the vertex colors not work? I have not set up the materials yet, so all we've done is import them at the moment. There's the glaive. Here's the quiver. It's making me quiver. Bam. Better watch out. Let me guess. It broke the game because once it got to your 0, 0, it started changing direction a billion times. All right. So here's our weapons. Cool. So now let's take a look at them and adjust my. Oh, you know what? That's actually quite legible. Nice. Let's go, Nami. Thank you again for making these. These are awesome. If anyone else would like to join in and like make stuff, we always can. Get my tool. I really should spawn with this, or maybe I could make a little logic that spawned it next to me. All right. So labeled text, and I would just like to make the label say created by Amy. There we go. This is VR chat. This is Resonite. I might hop in a sec. You are totally welcome to. Awesome work, Nams. Heck yeah. Bit like VR chat, but you can game develop while in game. It is very cool. It is probably the coolest thing. It is the coolest thing. Do yeah, let's put him over here, I guess. I liked it where it was. Created by Nami. Perfect. Now we got some weapons. And the next question is what to do? So we got weapons, we got dice. Do we need anything else? I guess we need some monsters, some basic monsters. Why don't I bring in my imp? We'll bring in the imp character and try to get an avatar set up. Files. going to these nuts. It's funny to see my microphone going. I just play it to pretend I'm a virtual wizard. I used to play GTA and pretend I was a cop when I was a kid. And now I'm a cop and I just shoot people. Well, I guess you have to be an American cop for that one. Greatness. Um, in, oh, we got to do quest. Keep it real simple. Millimeters. Auto scale, auto humanoid height. That's just meters. I know I want it in meters. So calculate normals, calculate tangents. There are no vertex colors. Bones. Oh, I need to get the weapons colored too. Not the PP folder. Might have told this before, but I used to walk the NPCs and pretend to talk to them. I did that in the hood too, and it got confused when they started shooting at me. Generate colliders. No animations. Visualize rig. I suppose that would be nice. Here's some weird. Split submatches. Or images by name. Full scalable. Position at origin. That's too crowded over there. Place assets on object. Holy shit! Huh. That's a little bigger than I thought. That's ridiculous. Um, all right. Actually, it's so far away I can't select him. Or he's unselectable. It's just. Mm, can I grab him? No. All right. I may have. It's kind of fun to be this small on the character, but I would like to be able to interact with him. I think I just need to um, get my dev tool, open the inspector, find our imp, should be at the bottom. Here, imp quest, and go ahead and select and delete. All right, that was funny. Hello, Fairy Sam. Big cutie. Okay, let's try that again. So we have the imp quest. We want to import 3D model, regular avatar. I'm gonna do auto humanoid height this time. I'm in. Hey, there we go. Cool. Now here's our Abby. I can't grab him. Reason. I'll be able to. Tutorial is amazing, lol. Good. Well, let me know your username and I'll add you. Oh, there we go. Interesting. Oh, cool. It's like already set up. How do I do this again? It's on private. Sky XD. Context. Oh yeah, it's not if you want to join. I don't know if you requested me, but anyway, let me search capital S. There we go. And terrifying monster appears. I just need to remember how to do that. How do I do the avatar thing? That inventory, essentials, avatars. Ah, that's not helpful. It's got to be a tool. It's got to be a tool. Character collider setter, grabbable setter, mesh visibility, rig mesh transfer tool. I'll join for a while too if I see if I get box movie. Grabbing someone by the nose and eye socket twirling their head around. So how do I put on an avatar? Is this an avatar already? Can I just... I probably do this. Oh. You grab the hand, yeah. That's really cool. Well, this will make it really easy to pose monsters. That's really cool. I probably messed it up moving it around though. I think we need invites though. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'll invite all of you. Invite. It should be open. Let me check. Settings or session. Oh no. For some reason, I swear I put it to context last time. Okay. Save. Oh, it's lagging. Ah, Jesus. Close my eyes for a second. All right, I'm in. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Let me turn you up on my headset here. Oh. Oh, hey. Welcome.
Got them all ready in the blend file for you. Will I need to split them up? No, go ahead and just send
I
me
hear a
and,
YouTuber.
there,
I hear myself talking. Where is this?
yeah, we'll see if I need to separate anything. Have a good lunch. I will, Nammers. Thank you. That'll be neat to
The
see.
fuck?
Enjoy lunch. Thank you.
Anyone hear that YouTube player?
Thank you so much. I'll Sky.
Yeah.
Everyone, same to you. Again,
Where
I'll
is
be
it?
back pretty soon.
I don't see it.
Here, definitely hit follow and subscribe because I'll be back.
Here, I know what to do.
I'm just going to lunch. But bye, everyone. See you all very soon. Thank you again for hanging out. I'm super
YouTube.
excited. Too excited. Arctic, I will have a nice break. Same to you. And great job on the sword. Great stuff. And I can't wait to play around with
Play us on there, Sam?
I think I got it.
Weird.
Yeah, there we go. All right, it's right here. I think I accidentally
Bye, everyone.
dropped it in the world or something. But you should be able to go to the sound and then turn me down here. Should you like to? funny. All right. Well, hello. Welcome.
Hi there, hi there.
Hi. Oh, turn down a little.
So you were setting up your first avatar, right?
Yeah. I am. Yeah. I'm gonna get that guy going. I'd be happy for the help. I'm gonna turn down my speakers here and turn them off, so you're not hearing double. What's up? What's up? Hey. Hey.
Hi, Jen.
Is it Sky? Hello, Sky. Hello,
Hi,
hello.
Sky.
What's up, Stardom? Nice, nice. Big hand. Okay, yeah.
Large now.
I'd love to know how to set this guy up.
Did you
Uh,
use the avatar creator yet?
I just imported the model, but maybe that's where I went wrong already.
No, that's fine. You
I
can
saw
use
you
the avatar
move
creator.
it earlier. Oh wait.
Yeah, it's got a collider on the head and hands. It's a laughing man from Ghost in the Shell. Yes, it is.
Yeah, it was. But I saw you move it earlier. So
Yeah, yeah.
it means the rig is a bit shifted, perhaps, when you set it up.
Gotcha.
It
So,
doesn't appear, oh wait, the head is maybe a bit off now. So you
Yeah,
might
yeah,
have to
re-import.
undo that. Yeah. Oh wait, now I'm really tiny.
Bam. All right, so we'll go ahead, open up an inspector. Right, open inspector, and I'll go down to imp. It's so unorganized in here.
What you can do is what I used to do is I just create an empty and then parent myself to the empty.
Oh, interesting.
And then when you create stuff, it will be bound to the empty. It will be parent.
Oh, that's pretty cool, actually.
So you keep things organized a bit better.
All right, I think I'll probably have to give that a shot. I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna start turn off fly, so I'm not moving too much. And then, okay, let's try importing this character again. So files, do avatars, imp quest. There we go. I'm already in here. Bam, bam. Import 3D model, regular avatar with auto humanoid. Run import. Perfect. I guess I should have said at 0, so it's not loading. But
That's perfect. Do you want to fast how to set it up?
yeah. Go right ahead.
Okay. Well, if you open your menu and you go to your home page, you see the avatar creator. You can spawn that out in the world.
Oh,
Now
very
you
cool.
can just place the. I can interact with it as well. So, oh, sorry.
No, you're
The
fine. I'm just standing out.
use symmetry is on. If you disable use symmetry, because otherwise the
Gotcha.
hands are impossible to place. And now you can just put the hat on, position the hands roughly at the hand spot, because it will pick up bone name convention anyway. So.
Gotcha. Basically,
But this is the basic setup, and if you create, it will be protected by default, and well, some basic setup for the eyes for blinking is there, and if you have eye bones, it will also try to implement a basic look at randomized position stuff. So you
okay.
have the illusion of eyes moving all the time. There is actual face tracking in here, but I have never. Well, I don't have face tracking, so I've never experimented with
I
that.
don't either, so I think.
But you can also.
That was a mistake. Wait.
What you can also do is.
How is the symmetry not working?
Yeah, the symmetry is a bit wonky.
Or I have
just
to. Oh, there we go.
usually
Sorry.
turn it off.
I could never get them to align either.
Yeah.
It seems working now. Just have to click it a few times.
Yeah, but
The
the other
other side
one's
is
crooked
kind of
now.
off now.
Shit. I did move the hand. Shit.
And now you move you move the character.
Yeah, the long interaction buttons are an interesting feature. Okay. I think that's probably good enough.
What you can also do is, you see those plates on your hands right now? That's where you can store. The other side,
Yeah.
the upper side. Yeah. You already found out. So,
can
what you can
store
do
things in
is,
Yeah,
you can put your tools on there,
That's
so you can have
awesome.
multiple tools on your wrists and back
Let me try that
from
real
there.
quick.
But what you can do is show the tool anchors right there,
Gotcha.
and then you can, if needed, for this character, I wouldn't say it's quite needed because the anchors are somewhere off the wrist,
I
so you
see.
can at least see them. But well, depending on your avatar, you might want to change that. But since you're setting up your first one, I wouldn't worry too much about it because it's not going to be perfect, or at least
Yeah.
you'll never be pleased. You know, there's always
Yeah.
something to improve.
I relate to that. I definitely understand that. And how do I wear the avatar?
Now simply left click it and you can equip the avatar.
Oh, gotcha. Well,
Okay, and we see some interesting stuff happening.
interesting. So this
Um,
is the same problem Zoom is experiencing.
Yeah.
So I'm
Hmm.
going to hop out. How do I leave the avatar?
You don't have a bot anymore, right? No.
I can
Oh
spawn
wait,
one.
yeah. I can go right ahead.
Oh yeah.
The blinking is so funny because for like, oh, there we go. I got him.
I'm just gonna equip my
Oh, cool, and he's
There
in
we
the pose. But that's so funny that he's fine here in this pose. Okay, well let's
Yeah, I don't know why it does that, and it's got the same glitching out with the blinking as Lorian did.
we're gonna open up that inspector and we're gonna find out because. All right, so we got the imp quest here, and we got centered root. Ah, oh, that's fun.
I'm going to be playing with a cube.
Gross. You leave that cube alone.
We got it, Sam.
Oh, thank you. Here we
I'm
go.
just gonna put this guy here for reference.
Okay, perfect. Oh, it's so
Because I
funny.
know he
It's
is
cool that
a-
you can pose them though. That makes me super excited to do
I've seen people make basic motion capture things, so to say. So you act out your VR poses and it will record it,
Oh, cool.
and you can replay it. But I'm
That's
not
awesome.
quite sure on how much you can export from there because you probably want to use that animation data.
That would certainly be I mean, I could see you doing a lot with that. All right, so how do I drag? All right, so this has an ID. If I get rid of that, and then I want to drag in this root. All right, let's go ahead and equip this. Then, you know, do I need flux for this one? No, wait, here we go. Cool. Okay. So we updated the root. And I'll go ahead and actually before I go, I want to see where the blink is.
The shape key, or because I'm still trying to refigure out where the component was for the what you call it. Let me check.
Wow, there's
The eye manager. The
yeah. It's got to be on the. It has to be on the top object, the parent object. I'd be amazed if it wasn't, but that's where I'd put it, at least. Avatar user positioner. No. Simple avatar protection for now material. Well, that's it. Okay.
I think it's probably in the head bone of your
Yeah.
one. And then somewhere around the head, we'll find it. I think.
Expand this.
Hold on, there. Eye manager. That's it. So that's the one in charge of, well, some blink stuff, squinting and whatnot. Well, I don't know all the details, but at least blinking is related to the eye linear driver and the eye, well, the eye manager.
Yeah, it's using these pivot points, which don't even. Yeah, it's doing. Oh, so it's not a blend shape. It's trying to use bones.
It drives well, yeah, if you have eye bones, then it will try to automatically pick up the eye bone.
I'm gonna leave that off right now. Yeah, I think I'll just delete this object. I'm just gonna delete the eye manager for now.
Oh, you could. I mean, there's no real harm in it. You can always re-import and do.
Just deal with it later, I think. Because it's
Yeah.
definitely using the wrong thing, but
Yeah, you can eliminate errors that way. I mean, this is all the stuff that Resonite added to it. So
Yeah.
if you remove that, take it out of the equation.
oh, someone says Albin says I recognize that temple guy from somewhere, and I can't remember where I've seen him. Probably saw him in the Discord.
Maybe.
Do you also do you have any idea how I can? I'm running out of room in my inspector here.
Oh, I
They
usually just
It's small.
yeah. But if you zoom in, you can actually read it. That's pretty cool as well. But I usually just drag one out and click it.
Okay.
So
Oh, I see.
you
That's
can
smart.
just
Yeah, go
yeah,
into
just
shoulder
drag it
and
out
then
just
boom. Oh, you can drag
yeah, you can
it.
do that.
Oh, okay.
But you can also
Yeah, I like that.
I kind of like this folder structure, so I can just take the head, and I'm now working on the head, but I also still have my entire avatar open
Yeah,
there, so I can
that's
just
super
pop
smart.
up both. And it also helps when you need to link stuff. You have
Yeah.
multiple windows, but
Let's grab.
also I'm not quite sure if the game changed much, but those inspectors can be quite heavy as well. So if the world's slowing down, you might want to
Gotcha.
check if you have some hidden inspectors somewhere.
Oh, I certainly have quite a few floating around here. Oh, let's see, zoom. I wonder if that's his follower. I just see something spinning over there.
Yeah, it's looking at you.
Yeah. All right, so let's see what's going wrong with the hands. Hand poser. Whoa.
Did you check out? Whoa, that's you imported something?
Someone work on their own version of a treasure chest? Oh, okay.
Have you seen this, Sam?
Is this the treasure chest? Someone make it?
Sam,
Yeah. Sorry.
have you seen this?
Oh, the photo?
Yeah, the way you do it.
Oh.
Yeah, I always have trouble with the gesture, but you can just. Oh, it's targeting this. Oh, I'm not moving it.
Let's see.
Hold on. You need to. Well, you'll see a camera pop up.
Try it.
Yeah, I'm also trying. I always have trouble with this. You need to make that camera movement, you know, like with the hands, but it
Oh, wait,
doesn't always.
Did I unequip this?
Oh, I got it again. I don't know if you can see it, but
Oh, yeah.
and now make a screenshot.
Oh, I'm grabbing the fucking box. Oh, sorry. 1 second.
Oh, that's you.
I was like,
I mean,
what's going on? I'm gonna delete
wondering who
that box if no one is gonna be using it.
Wasn't mine, so go ahead.
If that was your Sky, I can show you. You want to import a. You want to adjust your scale on that. Unless that was me. But... So I'm just gonna get rid of it since it's taking up the. Should be at the bottom. Zoom's curious box.
That's mine.
Do you mind if I delete it?
Yeah.
Is it this box up here? The big one?
It's this one.
No, it's not the big one. It's this one.
Oh, maybe it's the tank.
That's the one I'm playing with.
Let's see. Yeah, okay, it's the tank. Gotcha. Hey, Sky, I'm going to delete the tank. Sorry. I can show you how to import things later, but... Where's Sky? Oh, hey, Scott.
I do.
Hello. Big room, big room. Yeah. Okay, so let's get rid of this inspector. Now I want to look at the hand poser. Those all look pretty good, but they're clearly incorrect. The scale on the bones looks fine in the inspector, zeroed out here. So I'm just gonna hop in really quick.
I'm gonna clone your inspector so I can
Yeah, go for it.
Navigate as well.
We don't have any in-game documentation, do we?
Oh,
I
that's
don't
weird.
think so, but somebody might have added it by now. You never know.
I'm stuck.
It would be nice to know what all these functions do exactly.
I'm stuck. Okay, I have to respawn.
Oh, careful though. You might lose the. No, I'm not sure.
I'll see.
Yeah. Because it wasn't saved yet.
Gotcha. Oh, it just
Yeah, it's probably the
everything.
best to save it first after the import.
Gotcha. Oh, I guess I'll delete this guy then. Well, shit. Okay, we'll do it from scratch. Fuck it, we'll do it live. One more time. So, in files, and man, I really feel like I need to get a beanbag now in order to like be the most comfortable I can. Auto humanoid height. Set up a snappable, no. Set up IK. Maybe. I might turn that off. Oh, align axis. Might break it. Image format, auto scale, import bones. No need for animation. Visualize array. And T-pose. Alright, I'm gonna face here. Run it. Well. That doesn't look correct. Well, that would explain why it's broken. It's messing up which arm is which. It thinks the arms are. Gotcha.
What?
So
Oh, it's.
this
Bro.
explains why. Yeah, that's why it's the arm. The hands are doing
but
that.
it's probably not the arms. It's the hips. There's a
Yeah, I
twist
think
in the
so.
hips. So then the arms are in the correct position, but your hips are twisted, so it will get wonky.
No, I don't think the. Well, okay. It depends on what you mean by that. I think the.
I mean, if you rotate this part, you get the same shape there with the bones, and the same thing here. So that's like the hip bone, the root seems to be flipped.
Oh, I'll have to make an importer for my characters. I'm gonna sit down really quick. Oh, I'm sitting down. Alright.
This is a cool view, though.
It is, yeah.
Being able to see the bones like this, or the armature.
It does help explain a few things, wouldn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so let's take a look at them. Drop that there. And centered root. That is something that this adds. That the centered root is something that is added to this, which I don't particularly care for. And the assignments do seem correct. Left thigh is correct. It's got the right foot, but why are the arms flipped? If they're correct, should at least understand that. Gotcha, that's just the base of the scene. Chest clamp, neck stiffness. Wow, there's a lot of values in here. Well, if Profidor, if you're watching this is what you need to look at for getting your rotations clamped. Drives list.
I'm not quite sure what I'm seeing here. Is this your imp?
Yes. Yes.
Because with the X. Wait,
Oh, the
no.
X is middle. It means middle. So there's left, right, and then X for centered. In terms of
You
bone
didn't get
symmetry.
an arrow log with anything with the import, right? Because sometimes the IK system picks up some bones and it will throw an arrow, like doesn't
Not that I
recognize
saw.
a certain bone.
Not that I saw. And everything looks assigned correctly in the VRIK. Clean up. Generate debug visuals. Ooh, wow. Interesting. Huh. Okay. Biped rig. Get rig diagnostic info. Oh. That's what I was just looking at. Detect left hand. Done. Detected left hand rig false. So does that mean they're not set up?
Let's check your hands.
Yeah. That's definitely where it
Find
seems to
something
be
there.
messing up. It's gonna move them around. Back up tool. What do you inspect? Wow, that's a huge notification. So we'll grab that. Open up a new inspector. I'm not even grabbing. I'm grabbing the visualization. Oh, silly. Okay. That's definitely one of the bummers about having absolutely everything be interactable. It's like you just grab things that you wouldn't expect. Oh well.
Yeah, you can remove the grabbable the grabbable component from most of the things, so
Yeah.
then you won't have that. But where's the fun in that?
Update 0. Just don't quite. Alright, let's just go through one at a time and pull it apart. Body. That's a bunch of components as well. Bone list. Bones. This is for the skin mesh render.
Do they have anything on the wiki about it?
What was that? Found my bunch shapes.
Wonder if they had anything on the wiki about this, because they didn't even have that before.
Okay, something's actually wrong with the model. So this is a blend shape that should definitely not be doing that. So okay, perhaps
All right.
the air is outside. These blend shapes are actually just broken.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, you
But
know what? What's
I think you
funny
can.
is it's switching
Hey.
sides. So there's something with the symmetry of the mesh that's confusing it, and that's why the hands are stretched. So the bones are not unassigned correctly. The bones and the skin mesh render have a mismatch in their connection. It thinks that the vertices on the other
move
side.
the arms? You move the arm because
Oh yeah, so here's well, I mean you can see the
bones.
skeleton. I don't know where the colliders went. I guess there's no colliders anymore. Um, yeah, I hit clean up bone colliders and they're just gone. Oops. Okay,
What could
so
be driving those shape keys?
it's
Because
well
if
nothing's.
you
Oh, so if you go to the
square it,
body, but they're just broken. Something is actually wrong with these because they're none of these should. They're flipping the whole body, so I think I need to re-export the mesh in a different format. Strip empty blend shapes.
yeah, that's also kind of nice. But I mean, your blend shapes aren't empty. You might be able to remove all non-driven blend shapes because they're no longer driven by your. You remove the voice component on this one as well on the head.
No, not yet.
Because if you remove that, then maybe you can remove all the blend shapes.
I don't think
That's not what you want, but
yeah, I think I'm gonna go back to Blender, just redo it, and see if I can. I'm gonna see if I just don't. I don't want to fix it downstream. I'd rather fix it upstream on my exporting. Yeah. So I'm just gonna delete. I'm gonna delete it.
there might be something on the Anki page with possible bone conventions. Bone
That's true.
int,
Yeah, let's see if there's a tutorial.
or the blend shape conventions for certain stuff it tries to pick up.
Let's see. I'm gonna stand up my desk.
How's it going, Zoom?
I'm gonna switch to desktop
Well,
mode.
I
So
don't
one
know
second.
how to give the scripts a target. I'm not allowed to give myself as a target.
All right.
I'm a bit sleepy.
Switching to desktop mode.
I'm trying to make it so that he has a wish to come closer to people. But I can only make him look at people so far.
It's cool. All right.
And this one seems like it'd be the right one. Position at user. But you're not allowed to drag any users in target user. So it's not doing anything.
I'm gonna go to.
I want it to be rotating.
What if you use a get user component? Have something.
I'm gonna walk over here a little ways. And okay. I'm gonna talk out loud over here for stream. Just figure out what's going on. Hopefully I'm not too loud. I wonder if there's a fall off distance.
User root maybe.
Shake. Okay, perfect. Oh well, I might just. It's already 6. Wow.
Not that one.
Wow, that's already 6. My goodness. No, not client work. Avatars, imp, Blender, Quest. So if we open that here,
Maybe that one. I select original parent. Nope, that's not what I want.
we look at the model. Nothing on it is being mirrored.
Quite curious indeed.
Yeah, right.
But something about the import settings is really messing it up.
Good boy.
It'd be fun if he tries to get closer to people.
I wonder. initializing.
generalized targeting system. It just takes
Let's
the
go.
closest user to it.
Oh,
Well, I can't copy that over to
Hmm.
the positioning.
Um,
So, oh, now I can. Oh, hang on. Hang on.
fake conversion.
He's attacking someone. Where is he?
Everything should be.
There he is. Oh, I got it. Wait.
Oh, I fell. I want to see what Zoom's doing.
The offset. I ruined it. 1 moment.
I might call it here because it is. I didn't realize it was so late.
It's on Sky.
yeah.
Hey,
Wow.
It's attacking her.
you got the guy. Oh,
Oh god.
Can we steal it?
I disabled it. There we go. Sorry, Sky. It went straight for the head.
funny. All right, I'm gonna leave the avatar alone for today. I'm gonna focus on these
That's very
weapons
cool, yeah.
instead.
Can I
You know what?
also
I
see-
want to work. I want to keep working, but I think I should call it here.
Yeah, fair enough. I really should as well. It's already way past midnight.
I know. It's like I didn't even. I was like, oh, I'm gonna sit down,
So that's cool.
but I will probably stream this weekend, to be honest, because I'm enjoying this a lot. So I'll probably be at least some smaller sessions earlier in the day this weekend, but I'll be back soon. So thank you all for hanging out, and I'll catch you all soon. Yeah, I'm gonna exit Resonite first and then log off. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Bam. Bam. I totally misread that name. It's Tritty Bird, not Titty Bird. But thank you all for hanging out. I am going to go ahead and call the stream here for today as well. I can't believe it's almost 6 already. Man, that setting up the Quest 3 ate up my entire day. That's so nuts. But I will catch you all tomorrow, hopefully. Again, I'll be streaming at least a little bit, an hour or two minimum. I'm just having so much fun with Resonite, and I'd really love to get some sort of D&D situation going as soon as possible. So definitely stay tuned for that. And if you're interested in making stuff, again, Namers, thank you for making stuff, making those weapons. I'm looking forward to actually making them slice and stab and getting vicious with them. Kill some monsters. It's going to be a blast. But I'll catch you all soon. Again, thank you all for hanging out. Snardum, Namers, Zoom, Sky, Albin, anyone that's lurking out there. Much love to all of you. Arctic. Who else? Anyone that's lurking. I think that's everyone. At least everyone that's been chatting. And I'll see you all Saturday, tomorrow. Bye, everyone. See you soon. Bye.